A great way to explain the essence and importance of behavioral design in a nutshell is to directly compare it to other disciplines. Let's do a mental exercise, okay? Imagine you are standing on the sidewalk, chatting with your neighbor about how cool would it be to have a rabbit-headed teacher. It's a super normal chat until this big, bright orange basketball appears rolling downhill. Your neighbor looks at you with this look, kind of saying, "What now?" This is the time to pause and apply some kind of strategy. So, in this situation, different approaches will have different angles. Design thinking perhaps will make the ball roll downhill over and over until the best trajectory is obtained. User-centered design might ask, how do you feel about the ball rolling downhill like this? And UX design will try to remove all possible friction from the ball's path. As you can see, all approaches are quite valuable and most needed. However, there are a few undeniably pivotal things that we are missing here. First of all, we are catching a movie that has already started as we are paying attention to an effect. The ball is coming, we should do something about it. That's great, but why is the ball rolling downhill at all? Is it headed in the right direction? And most importantly, if it happens that we know there is something better for that ball, should we allow it to reach a destination that is not so beneficial? What we have in our hands is a big fat dilemma. This mapping, as fundamental and critically as it sounds, is completely missed by all other approaches. Well, the problem, precisely, is they try not to interfere with the ball. Under these lenses, interfering is not welcome, maybe even unethical. But there's a huge but here, it is virtually impossible not to interfere. The second you remove an obstacle, for example, so the ball can pass along, you are interfering. Behavioral design knows this and goes in the opposite direction. It is not only impossible not to interfere and influence the outcome, it is absolutely necessary. In the next section we'll talk about that.